Hello friends, welcome back to my channel NUAA-TECH videos. Hope you are doing well, and in this video we will discuss about what are the custom domains and how we can add the custom domains to Azure Active Directory. But before that, I want you to understand uh, basically you need to have an account that need to be created, and you should have a tenant and Azure ready login. So how to do it? So let me show you quickly, so you will have better understanding how to create a free account, so you can utilize the free services of Microsoft. So when you open any of the document, you can see here left hand side free accounts. When you click on the free account, then start free, you have to click on that. Since I already have an account and this is my account, and to create that I need to have one valid email ID and password and credit, debit, or any card, okay, to make the payment. So it will deduct, I think, two rupees, and for 30 days subscription it will be free. So almost I think 14,500 rupees will be credited in your account, and you can use them. So this is how you can create the tenant. Okay, so when you do the subscription, and you will have one tenant already created. So let me show you how it will look like. So I already logged on with my user ID and credentials, and if I show you the subscription, so this is free subscription which is added. So this is free trial. If I click on this, so this one is the subscription ID, this is free trial version, and you can see here some of the billing is given. So I'm using some of the resources. So this is the graph about the free trial, what and all I have consumed. Okay, so let's move on to our topic, how to add the custom domains. So before I explain or I demonstrate you practically, let's go through the article, Microsoft article, what we have before we begin to add the custom domains. So create a directory in Azure AD. So how to create it, I already shown you. Then this is the path, log on to sign into the Azure portal, and then you must have the global administrator privilege to add the custom domains. And then you have to click on the custom domains, go to Azure Active Directory, and then custom domains, and add custom domains. So we have to have a valid name as well. So we can use our on-prem name as well, like contoso.org, contoso.net, or any valid domain. And we can create our own the Active Directory domain as well, what we have on our on-prem premises. Then we have to create the record. It could be the text record or MX record, and this is how we do it. So let's try to do it. So for the demonstration, I logged on to the Azure portal, and I'll open Azure Active Directory, and this is appearing here. You can go to the dashboard or the menu, and then look for the Azure Active Directory. and here also you can search for Azure Active Directory, and when you go down, then you can see the custom domain names. So you have to click on that, and I already added one domain here, NUAA-TECH.info. This is also my on-prem domain. I'll show you what it is. So before that, let me tell you how to add it. So we will click on the add custom domain, then you have to give any valid domain here, ABC. Just for example, I am giving just abc.com, and add domain. And next moment we will see it is asking to create a text record or MX record in our public DNS. So what is public DNS? Let me show you. Here you can see the DNS management. So this is basically a site from GoDaddy where I have registered a domain with the name of any Shahar. You can see here, this is my domain name, and you can see here this is the text record for my domain. Since I am using this domain, and it's shahar.info, so for this one I had to add the text record and the MX record. Any one of them is fine. So here I have added this. So how I added, let me show you. So add record, click here, and select any one text, or you have to give at, like I have given the name as at. For text record, this is the value, and what the TTL, you can see here, this is basically 3600 seconds, and I also added the MX record. The name again I have given at, you can see the name, and data, this is the data for the MX record, and this is the priority which is set. So for more understanding, let me show you here. So this is for test record value, and this is the TTL, and if you are creating the MX record, and this is the TTL, and this is the priority. So here you have to give the priority. So once you are done with adding the MX or the TXT record, then you have to wait for sometimes it might take 24 hours to verify. So once this is done, then you need to verify here. So it will throw me the error now, because this record is nowhere added, and my domain is NUAA-TECH.info. Similarly, if you have your own domain, so you can add the custom domain here, create the MX or TXT record in public DNS, so it can be recognized and then verified. So you can see this is the verified domain, and this is one of my previous domain. So by default this domain is created, okay, when you have the account or whatever account you are logging in with for the first time. That will be your subscription account, and one account will be added with the same name or ID with suffix of on microsoft.com. So this is already added. So this is how we can verify, we can add the custom domains as much as we want. Okay, we can have multiple domains, or the valid domains we can add here. So I think you have understood how to create the account and how to add a custom domain to our Azure subscription. And in the next video, we will work on how to install Azure AD Connect and sync our on-prem users or devices or groups from on-prem to Azure AD. So that is going to be very informative, and hope you are liking my videos. So do subscribe and keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.